Have you ever ridden a bicycle, opened a door, or played with a toy car? Guess what? All of these are examples of machine design in action. In today's video, we're diving into the world of machine design, the art of creating the things that move, lift, spin, or roll. What is machine design? Definition. Machine design is the process of creating new or improving existing machines using scientific principles and creativity. In simple words, machine design is how engineers plan out machines, like gears, engines, and levers, so they do a job safely and perfectly. Imagine you're building a Lego robot. You pick pieces, think how they'll move, and then connect them to do a task. That's what engineers do in real life. Why is machine design important? Machines are everywhere, from fans and scooters to washing machines and rockets. Without smart design, machines could break easily, waste energy, or be unsafe to use. So a well-designed machine, safe, strong, and smart. Example, think about a crane lifting heavy blocks. If its parts aren't designed correctly, it could fall. But with good machine design, it can lift tons safely and smoothly. What do engineers learn in machine design? In this subject, engineering students learn how to choose materials. Should we use steel or plastic? How to calculate forces? Will it break if we push too hard? How to design gears, shafts, and bearings, the parts that spin and hold weight. How to keep machines safe. What if a part overheats? Basically, they mix math, physics, and creativity to build things that actually work. A famous quote by Henry Petrosky says, "As engineers, we are not just problem solvers, we are creators of the future." What you'll learn in this playlist. In this YouTube series, we'll break down machine design into small, easy lessons like types of loads and stresses, designing machine parts like bolts, gears, and levers, real-life examples from bikes, cars, and robots, fun problems and DIY design ideas. And the best part? You don't need to be a genius, just be curious and ready to learn. Why you should watch this series. This playlist is perfect for students starting engineering, teachers explaining complex topics, curious minds who love to tinker. So if you want to understand how things around you are made and how they work, this is the place for you. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, because next we'll design a machine part step by step with real-world logic.